In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with ClickFunnels. By the end of this tutorial, your ClickFunnels workspace will be directly connected to your HubSpot account, so contacts and activity can flow smoothly between the two platforms. Let's start inside your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in and you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a sidebar with different options related to your workspace. Find the option labeled Workspace Settings and click on it. This is where you control the overall setup for your funnels, integrations, and other tools. When the Workspace Settings page opens, look again at the menu on the left. Here you'll see a section called Integrations. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This page shows you all of the external services and apps that you can connect to ClickFunnels. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate HubSpot. Once you find HubSpot, click on it to start the connection process. As soon as you click on HubSpot, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is asking you to log into your HubSpot account. If you already have a HubSpot account, simply enter your login details in the pop-up and continue. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first using the sign up option in that same pop-up. Once you've created your account, come back to this pop-up and log in. After you successfully sign into HubSpot, the pop-up will refresh. Now you'll see a list of HubSpot accounts that are available to connect. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple HubSpot portals. Carefully select the specific HubSpot account you want to link with your ClickFunnels workspace. Then click on the button that confirms your choice, usually labeled something like Choose Account. Next, HubSpot may ask you to review the permissions that ClickFunnels is requesting. These permissions outline what data ClickFunnels will be able to access or send, such as contacts or form submissions. Read through this list so you understand what you're allowing. When you're comfortable with the permissions, approve the connection. Once you've allowed access, the pop-up will close and you'll be returned to your main ClickFunnels interface. At this point, the integration is active, and you can begin configuring your HubSpot-related settings from within ClickFunnels, such as deciding which funnels send leads into which HubSpot lists or pipelines. From here, you're ready to start using your new HubSpot and ClickFunnels integration in your marketing workflows.